Hey, Gary here with you. Today I was making a post in a Facebook group. It's some stats and a little message to encourage the group based upon a project that I'm working on. And I wanted to share with you how to access this group because the truth is it's lonely when you're doing this business, and groups like this have helped me, not to mention the training inside this group. So anyway, I made a little post here. When you first start, there's literally nothing, no users, no sessions, nothing happens at all. And then I posted a screenshot of some information inside of Google Analytics, and I kind of explained what was going on with the users, the event count, the sessions, and the simple fact that I'd set this up. I was focused on creating the content, and then I focused on setting up the analytics. So I went ahead and I clicked post, or I'm going to go ahead and click post right now. That's going to post inside the group, and the group is Taking Action Online. It's a community I'm a member of, and I wanted to take a little time in this video to show you how to become a member. So you can click the link in the description. It'll take you over to this squeeze page. Yeah, you're going to have to enter your email address and your name. This foundational training, and it's not a webinar, it's real training to show you what no one talks about, or not what no one's telling you, right? Don't be fooled by shiny objects, schemes, the people out there that are telling you you're going to make money, you're going to make tons of money, you're going to make money fast, you can outsource it all. Don't worry, it's one click of a button. Anyway, this is a foundation success blueprint. You just simply enter your name, your email, fill in this code, click here to agree to all of the information, GDPR, all that good stuff, and you can click the Watch Now button, and it will take you over to the Thanks for Signing Up, Start Your Free Training in 3 Steps page, if that's a way to say it. Basically, it's going to take you to the next step, and it's a page that's going to give you 3 steps. Click here to download the roadmap. This is the successful roadmap that you'll want to follow along with. Step 2, watch the intro video here. Step 3, check your inbox. Yes, you're going to get an email from Philip. That's Philip Barrowman. You see him right here from inside of Taking Action Online. And you can click here to watch the video. And like it says, press play, soak in the wisdom, and get ready to turn those clicks into cash. Click here to log in. The idea here is watch the video, go through the training, go through the free part, understand that this is a foundation and success blueprint. Yes, the goal is to turn clicks into cash. Yes, that is something he says here, but understand it's just there for encouragement. The point is so you can get in here, and you can also get inside of the community. Again, like I just posted here inside of the Taking Action Online community, there's over 2,000 of us, or there's right at 2,000 of us in here. I post stuff like this all the time in this community. I'm active here inside of Taking Action Online. Start with this training. I found Philip years ago now, 5-6 years ago. I worked with him and started this YouTube channel, or I started the correct path for this YouTube channel. And since then, I've developed my own training, the Top Strategy. I've also started an AI blog. I've done other things online, created products and launched them in multiple niches. All these things have occurred because I found a group, I found a person to bounce ideas off, to get real feedback from, who's not just interested in trying to make a quick buck from me, but actually help me succeed, because he wants me to get everything that I want so he can get everything that he wants, and that's what I want for you as well. So check out the link in the description. It's Taking Action Online from Philip Barrowman. Sign up, enter your name, enter your email address, enter a real email address, because you're going to want to get the emails. You're going to want to be able to join this community. I'm in that community. I'm in there actively all the time. You can find me there. You can interact with me. I look forward to seeing you in that community. Click the link in the description. Check out this foundation and success blueprint video, and then let me know in the comments what you think about it. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.